Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Canva AI design. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in the Canva AI design, it's pretty basic to do and I'll teach you how to do it step by step. It's pretty simple. I do this all the time since I do it in school, I do it in work, and I do it in other things that I need to for presentations and such. So we're going to focus on our presentation. So basically here, we're going to head on to our presentation tab in our top corner. So this is applicable both in the PC desktop version and the mobile version. But today I'm going to show you in the mobile version since they're pretty much similar and they function the same. It's just in different platforms. So basically all the things that I'll be teaching you is under in the account of Canva Pro. So some features might not be available, some may be. But most of the features I'm going to show you guys is only available to Canva Pro and only as a teacher and not as a student. So let's go to our presentations. So take note guys, this only works in the presentation 16:9 since that's what we're going to talk about for today. So just press the presentation 16:9. So the first thing we're going to discuss is our Magic Design. So here in Magic Design, it's just a free online AI powered design generation tool that lets you input any media and transform it into customized templates that match the content and context you need. So visualize and refine your ideas effortlessly by using your 8 automatically generated templates that you can further edit and resize, but only for the pro versions. So the Magic Design builds on millions of templates, images, fonts, and other graphic elements in our marketplace uses. So basically, here in the marketplace and uses, using the most relevant content in our library Magic Design, it adapts and creates a design for you. So all you have to do is add the magic to your presentation. So as you can see here, there's already a lot of templates that you can use here. But here you will see our try to Magic Design. So inspiration templates can be crafted with your idea, and all you have to do is upload media right there. So I'll be selecting a photo right here. So I'll be back guys. So as you can see here, Canva has already uploaded a design for us. And as you can see, there's another template that's been overlaid with this. And I have selected the World War II template, which is the battleship. And as you can see right here, it has generated us a decent amount of data for us to work with. So the next thing basically we can do is go to our applications or apps, and then here from there we can locate such apps such as your Typecraft. So here in your Typecraft, you can bring your designs to new horizons with that text customization. So bend, warp, twist, and come up with unique creations for your text. So basically here you just have to open it and it will load up in Canva. So right here you can put in your text. So let's just say Yamato, the battleship Yamato, and then we select a font, something like, let's go with something old school right here, something like this. And then its color, so let's just try to make it blue like the ocean, and then add element to the sign. So it's pretty much inverted. So there you go, and there, it's a custom design. You can choose to edit this template too. So basically that's just how you use one of the applications here, which is Typecraft. So you can edit its shape and other things like that. So as you can see right there, you can edit it like something very fancy. I don't know, depends on your liking. We're just gonna mess around with it right now. So there it's kind of upside down, it's not even readable. So basically that's just how you use it. You can also reset its shape. So let's just say you want to do something like Yamato. You want to expand it. So there. So there you go. You have to update your element after doing so, and it will follow as preceded.
So basically after that, we'll just have to wait for it to update, and we'll see the results right there. So it's, wow, it's pretty big, guys. I have no idea what happened. So we're just gonna make that a little smaller for us to see. Still inverted, and there you go. Yamato. So it can probably replace a logo design or even a title itself. So the next thing we're gonna do is, the next feature is gonna basically also be in your applications. So the next thing we're gonna do is just go to another page. Let's go to our title page right there. So after that, all we have to do next is go again to our applications, which is located right here. And then we're gonna locate our text to image generator. So this is one of my favorite things to use here in Canva, and it's very flexible and easy to use. So this is only available again to your pro version, but in the free version I think you get around 50 tries until it expires. But here in the pro version, I think it's unlimited or limited up to 250 only. But we're gonna find out soon. But that's not our focus. We're only focusing on our presentation. So from here, we can generate beautiful images from text. So let's just say you want to do the battleship Missouri right here, battleship Missouri, and then we're gonna prompt it to be near Hawaii, and there you go. And we'll prompt it to be realistic, and then we'll just try to make it very filmic or photo style, and we'll do it landscape right there. So there are styles here you can choose from. As you can see, you can go with your photography, which has vibrant, minimalist, neon, and filmic. And here in digital art, if you're into arts, if you want it really arty and sketchful, here you have psychedelic concept art, 3D model, gradient, anime, and dreamy. So in your fine art section, you can locate your color pencil, watercolor, stained glass, ink print, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna go with our photo, and our aspect ratio is landscape. So it's gonna create our image right here. So we're just gonna have to wait for it to generate, and it's hard work transforming those images from your head. So as you can see here, you just have to wait very patiently for Canva to do the work for us. So it's using AI to prompt our script, and as you can see there, it's pretty accurate. It's very stunning photos of battleship Missouri, and right here. So we have generated, so we can actually replace this right here. So we can just delete the image. And where did our picture go? Oh, there it is. Boom, and there you go. From our text to image, and they will not suspect that it's from AI at all. Since it's AI generated, it's pretty hard to track if these things are real. It's hard to tell if it's very realistic or not. And as you can see here, I've integrated it to our presentation from there on now. And from there, as you can see, all you have to do is present this right here using the presentation button, and you will see your project. But basically, the last thing I want to show you guys is animating all of this right here. So it's pretty simple to do, and I'll teach you how. So all you have to do to animate all of this is basically here. So you just go to our first one, and from there you will see animate. So right here, you can do combination, basic, exaggerated, and photo maneuver. So we're just gonna do a combination and do a simple one or something sleek and apply to all pages. And as you can see right there, when you present it, it's gonna show you something amazing. And there you go, it has been animated. So we're gonna see our next slide, the one we made, and the one here. So this is just a template, guys. This is just an example of what it can look like when you animate it. So there you go, guys. That is just basically how you animate and do things in Canva AI design. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again in the next video.